Hi guys, today we will discuss on the black box testing and its technique. Black box testing is a software testing methods that focuses on analyzing the functionality of an application without knowing the internal code structure or implementation. Tester evaluates the system's behavior based on the input and expected outputs. It is primary focus with validating whether the software meets its requirement. Techniques of black box testing. First, equivalence partitioning. Second, boundary value analysis. Third, decision table testing. Fourth, state transitions. Fifth, use case testing. And sixth, error guessing. So first we will discuss on the equivalence partitioning. So in this method we need to divide input data into partitions or equivalence class where test cases are derived. For example, testing the range of valid inputs for a form field 1 to 100, number between 1 to 100, and the assurance is one assure the one test cases will be work correctly after other in the same partition will work correctly. So this is a boundary value analysis. So in boundary value analysis we will focus on testing boundaries between partitions, check the edge cases including minimum, maximum, just below, just above, and exact boundary values. For example, input fields except module 1 to 100. So we will check 0, 1, 100 and 101. And we will check a minus 1, b plus 1, min and min minus 1, max and min max plus 1. So the parameters will define the boundary value analysis. Then third, decision table testing. So in this testing we need to represent complex business logic or decision making scenario in a tabular form, ensuring all the combination of inputs and corresponding outputs are tested. For example, testing discount rules based on customer types and order amounts. Then state transition testing. Here we need to validate the system behavior during state changes. For example, testing login functionality after multiple failed attempts and locked state. And it focus on the testing valid invalid state transitions based on input condition or events. Then use case testing. So in this testing we need to drive that test cases for user interactions or use cases, and we need to focus on the real scenario to validate end-to-end functionality. And for example, testing the entire process of purchasing an item on an e-commerce website. 6. Error guessing. Release on the tester institution experience and knowledge to identify potential error prone areas. For example, testing input fields with special characters or usually large data.